Multiple choice questions. Question 1. Why did Andrew get oblivious to all the work he had done in Blaneley? A. Because he got all hopeless. B. Because he did something extraordinary that night. C. Because he was leaving Blaneley. D. Because he got tired. Answer. B. Because he did something extraordinary that night. Question 2. Explain the Mrs. Once Year Before Time. 2. A. The pregnant lady went into labor before expected. B. The pregnant lady was awfully scared. C. The pregnant lady wanted assistance before labor as well. D. It is unclear from the passage. Answer. C. The pregnant lady wanted assistance before labor as well. Question 3. What does the expression walking up and down with short steps signify about Joe Morgan's feelings? A. He was stressed out. B. He was more calm. C. He was impatient. D. He was angry. Answer. A. He was stressed out. Question 4. Why does Dr. Andrew focus on the room more than the pregnant Mrs. Susan Morgan? A. Because he is quickly assured that she does not need attention right away. B. Because he does not want to interrupt the midwife. C. Because the room is grand and beautiful to captivate him. D. Because he is bored and finds the details in the room more interesting. Answer. A. Because he is quickly assured that she does not need attention right away. Question 5. Andrew did his medical practice under the assistance of A. Dr. Page. B. Dr. Morgan. C. Dr. William. D. Dr. Shang. Answer. A. Dr. Page. Question 6. Where did Joe Morgan live? A. Number 11, Bliner Terrace. B. Number 14, Baringawa. C. Number 12, Bliner Terrace. D. Number 12, Baringawa. Answer. C. Number 12, Bliner Terrace. Question 7. How does the author describe the bedroom of Joe's house? A. Well furnished. B. Poorly furnished. C. Dirty. D. Both B and C. Answer. B. Poorly furnished. Question 8. How has the author described Mrs. Morgan's mother?
Wise. B. Grey-haired. C. In her servanties. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. Question number 9. While waiting at Joy's house, what did Andre think about? A. Mrs. Morgan condition. B. Failed marriages. C. Christine. Or D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C.
A. Wise. B. Grey-haired. C. In her 70s. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. Question 9. While waiting at Joe's house, what did Andrew think about? A. Mrs. Morgan condition. B. Failed marriages. C. Christine. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. Question 10. In the dilemma he faced, what did Andrew do? A. Check upon Susan first. B. Check upon the child first. C. Ran away. D. Left it to handle to the midwife Stefan. Answer. A. Check upon Susan first. Short answer type questions. Question 1. Who was driver Andrew? Where was he working?
डॉक्टर एंड्रू कौन थे? वह कहाँ काम कर रहा था?
Answer. Dr. Andrew was a young graduate who had just passed from medical school. He was working as an assistant to Dr. Edward in the small Welsh mining town of Blaenau. Question 2. Who was Joe Morgan? Why was he waiting for the doctor when he returned at midnight?
जो मॉर्गन कौन था? आधी रात को लौटने पर यह डॉक्टर का इंतजार क्यों कर रहा था?
Answer. Joe Morgan was a miner working as a driller whose wife required medical attention during delivery. She was going to deliver her first baby almost 20 years after marriage. Joe was waiting for the doctor to help Susan in the delivery of his baby. Question 3. Who was the old lady? Why was she afraid?
बूढ़ी महिला कौन थी? वह क्यों डर रही थी?
Answer. The old lady was Susan Morgan's mother, a tall, grey-haired woman of nearly 70. She was wise. She realized that there must be a period of waiting before the delivery. She was afraid that the doctor might leave the case saying he would return later. Question 4. Why did Dr. Andrew shiver with horror?
डॉक्टर एंड्रू भय से कौंप क्यों गए?
Answer. After a long, harsh struggle for nearly an hour, the baby was born. Unfortunately, he appeared lifeless. He thought of all the promises that he had made to Mr. Joe Morgan and his family. So much was expected of him, but he had failed. The realization made him shiver with horror. Question 5. Why was Dr. Andrew in a state of conflict when the child was born?
जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ तो डॉक्टर एंड्रू संघर्ष की स्थिति में क्यों थे?
Answer. Dr. Andrew was in a state of conflict as he was stuck between two situations. The dilemma before him was whether to save the mother first or her child. The doctor's dilemma was solved instinctively, not consciously. Question 6. What did the elderly midwife think of the young doctor in the beginning?
बुजुर्ग दाई ने शुरुआत में युवा डॉक्टर के बारे में क्या सोचा था?
Answer. The midwife in the story remained doubtful about the young doctor's abilities and pessimistic about the child's survival. Her act of keeping the child under the bed shows that she never believed that the doctor would be able to revive the chili at any stage. Question 7. Why did Dr. Andrew want to save the child?
डॉक्टर एंड्रू बच्चे को क्यों बचाना चाहते थे?
Answer. The child looked lifeless when born. Dr. Andrew realized, due to his medical knowledge, that the child suffered from an abnormal medical condition which made it look dead, but there was a chance of it being revived. So he made frantic efforts to save the child. Question 8. What efforts did Dr. Andrew make to save the lifeless-looking child at birth?
डॉ एंड्रू ने जन्म के समय बेजान दिखने वाले बच्चे को बचाने के लिए क्या प्रयास किए?
Answer. When Dr. Andrew saw the lifeless-looking child, so he began a special method of respiration. He alternatively plunged the child into a basin of icy water followed by plunging him into very lukewarm water repeatedly. Then, in one last desperate effort, he rubbed the child, crushing and releasing his chest, trying to get breath into his limp body. Suddenly the child's chest started going up and down, some mucus came out of his nose, and finally the child gave a cry. The child was now gasping. Long answer type questions. Question 1. Why was Andrew Manson called in? How did he react to the call of duty?
एंड्रयू मैनसन को क्यों बुलाया गया? उन्होंने कर्तव्य की पुकार पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया दी?
Answer. Andrew Manson had just begun his medical practice in the small Welsh mining town of Blaenau. He was called in the attend to Susan Morgan, who was expecting her first child after being married for nearly 20 years. Her husband Joe Morgan had been waiting for an hour outside the closed surgery. When Andrew reached there, it was nearly midnight. As Joe acquainted Andrew with his wife's condition, Andrew forgot his own affairs. He went inside his house for his bag and immediately left for the driller's place. Since his services were not immediately needed by the expecting mother, he decided to wait downstairs. He re-examined her after an hour. He struggled for an hour before the child was born. Then he worked feverishly to revive the weak mother and the stillborn child. He had to use all his knowledge and experience in discharging his duty. He did not pay attention to his own physical tiredness or mental tension. Question 2. What was Andrew's dilemma? How was it solved?
एंड्रयू की दुविधा क्या थी? इसे कैसे हल किया गया?
Answer. After the baby was born, Andrew was faced with the dilemma whether to attend the baby or the mother. When he gazed at the lifeless child, he shivered with horror. He thought of all the promises that he had made to Mr. Joe Morgan and his family. Then he looked at the mother, who was in a desperate state and needed immediate attention. He was stuck between his situations to bring the child back to life and his obligation towards the mother. Soon the dilemma was resolved. Instinctively, he gave the child to the nurse and turned his attention to the mother, who lay faint. She was almost pulseless. Andrew knew that it was race against time. He made frantic efforts to restore the flabby women. At last he saved both child and mother.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को शेयर करें। कई बच्चे लाइक भी नहीं कर रहे हैं और शेयर भी नहीं कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें और शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।